Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, open Gallery App and then hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple ones at once, tap on Select All at the top right corner. If you wish to exclude some of them, just click on the ones that you wish to keep. Now to delete the rest, tap on Delete at the bottom in the middle. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!